Alright, now let's say we have a bunch of our data in a relational database. Your next question is probably, how do we get it out? And what can we do with it? Well, let's try to learn about this using our odd-hard data. Now, data is usually retrieved from a relational database using one of a family of languages that I'll call SQL-like languages. While there are some small variations between the languages, they have the same general concepts and syntax. Now, how could we query the Aadhaar enrollment dataset with SQL-like syntax if our data was in a database, stored in a table called Aadhaar data? Well, the most simple thing that we might want to do is simply to select all of the data, that is, all rows and columns. If we wanted to do that, we could type something like select star from Aadhaar data. Note that the SQL syntax is pretty human readable. We're just saying we want to select star, or everything, from the Aadhaar data table. If we were to run this command as is, we would produce tens of thousands of rows, which is probably not super constructive right now. So what we can do is limit the number of rows by just saying limit 20 at the end of our SQL command. If we ran this query, let's see what we get back. Oh great, the first 20 rows of the data. These are rows describing enrollments for the registrar Allahabad Bank, with various enrollment agencies, districts, age, genders, etc. Now, say we only wanted some of these columns, say district and subdistrict. We could just ask for those specific columns instead of star. For example, we might write select district, subdistrict from Aadhaar data, limit 20.